In the 19th century, a monk named Gregor Mendel, tending to his monastery garden, uncovered the fundamental rules of heredity. He meticulously crossbred pea plants and noticed something profound. Traits weren't simply a messy blend of the parents. Instead, they were passed down as distinct predictable units, what we now call genes. His work revealed a hidden mathematical blueprint for life, governed by principles like segregation and independent assortment, explaining how traits can appear, disappear, and reappear across generations. To map these predictions, we use a simple but powerful tool, the Punnett square. Think of it as a genetic forecasting grid. By placing the gene variants or alleles from each parent along the sides, the boxes in the middle show us every possible genetic combination for their offspring and the probability of each. This is how we can predict the classic 3-to-1 ratio of dominant to recessive traits that Mendel first saw. But the plot thickens. Inheritance isn't always a simple case of one allele winning out. Sometimes, in what's called incomplete dominance, the traits blend, like red and white flowers creating a pink one. In co-dominance, both alleles express themselves fully side by side, like in human ABO blood types. To trace these complex patterns in our own families, we become genetic detectives using pedigree analysis. These are essentially specialized family trees, using squares for males and circles for females, with shading to track a specific trait. By analyzing how a trait appears through generations, we can deduce its inheritance pattern, whether it's dominant, recessive, or linked to our sex chromosomes. From a quiet garden to our own family history, these foundational tools allow us to read the incredible story written in our genes.